Hello guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Noemi, and for today I have a deep cleaning inspiration for you. If you like cleaning videos, don't forget to subscribe so that way you're not going to miss my future videos, and also if you tap the bell, every time I upload you will get notified. The baking soda with the citrus essential oil, it just smells so good, you guys. It smells amazing. It can just dissolve all those bacteria and eliminate all those bad odors that you have in the bathroom. It freshes up the air and you do a huge favor to your lungs by eliminating all those harsh chemicals that the average cleaners contain. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like to wash the rags that I use in the washing machine, even if it's a separate load. I don't know, I don't feel good about that. So around the toilet and as I clean the toilet, I like to use toilet paper. After a quick rinse, I'm going to put the baking soda and the dish soap vinegar mixture, and that's what I'm going to use to clean the tub. Another great tool that I like to use, this idea came from where I was looking for a brush that is kind of like a car wash brush, so that can speed up the process, and I find it's called a branch brush. I have this in my Amazon store if you are interested, but it speeds up the scrubbing so well. When we moved into this house 1.5 years ago, we remodeled this bathroom and I was able to save the tub with this method. When we remodeled this bathroom, we picked the big tiles on purpose, so that way I don't have to scrub that much of the grout, but it's still some that I have to, but this brush just really just speeds up the process with that. Oh my gosh. Whoa. So this is the area I don't ever look up at all. And as I was vacuuming it and I turned around, I saw it on the wall, like everywhere. It was hair, my hair. I dry my hair in that spot and probably as I step out from the shower, all the steam on the wall, and as my hair is flying, it's stuck to the wall. Guys, it was everywhere. It was so gross. So I gave a good vacuuming to my wall as well. For next, I started to clean the sink. To clean the faucet, usually I like to use my silicone sponge, but since I was doing the deep cleaning anyway and I had my brush that had the soap on it, I started to clean with that, and it just speeds up very much. It's very fast that way. This is our water flosser that I like to keep right next to the sink, so that way make sure my boys are using it. We use this very often, once a day for sure, sometimes twice a day, but since it's next to the sink, it gets dirty very fast, so it needed a good cleaning. To clean the floor, I used some warm soapy water. I added some grapefruit essential oil and some vinegar to it. I'm getting a lot of questions about the shower curtain, and I love this so much. I can just wash it and reuse it so it doesn't get moldy like the plastic one, and it's so much better for the hat. And if you wanna find the same, I have this in my Amazon store. Okay, so this 2 candle holder is a Christmas decoration that I forgot to put away, and I was procrastinating for weeks now. Finally they are made it to the box. Oh my god! Sometimes I really wonder how my washing machine survived 15 years with us. My washing machine is 50 years old, and I wash things like that weekly in there. My husband is a contractor. Wow. Oh, there's more. Wow, that is definitely a record. These are some Christmas ornaments as well, but I set them aside because this is what I'm going to use to decorate for Valentine's Day. And for next, I'm going to give a good deep cleaning to this room because we put a door into this room. So as you can see in the background, this is a brand new door that we just put in, and In case if you wanna see that, how we did it, I have a vlog channel and I will link it down below for you guys, my other channel as well as the video where we shared how we put this door in, and it was a very fun project, but also it brought so many dust. So this is why I'm doing the deep cleaning here. I keep a basket in each room so we can gather all the random items in there. I got a sock in there and a lamp from the boys' room, so that way I can just gather them and once a day I can put them back. On the fall, I bought some firewood in here just to decorate with that, because obviously we have an electric one, just to make it feel more cozy. And seems like it left a spot there, it discolored the fireplace and nothing worked on it, so I think I'm just going to paint over it. Our new door came with a sticker on the glass, so I'm going to use some essential oil. This is a grapefruit one, but you can use lemon oil or any other essential oil, and I'm just going to soak it and leave it there for about 15 minutes, and we'll come back and it will be so easy to clean. I still had some glue from the tag and I just added a little bit more oil, and that took care of it and cleaned it very nicely. This dry mop is my absolute favorite because it's very easy to reach under the furniture, and also it picks up every little dirt, like all those fine dust, it can pick it up. These are my paintings. I keep some of my paintings that are bigger behind the couch. Okay, at this point I realized it needed more work than I was expecting, and I needed to move the couch. It had so much dirt behind it and underneath, so I started to just pull it away from the wall and I started to clean that area. This is another high traffic area, so it has lots of piney doors and all kinds of dirt, so I started to vacuum that area as well. as we coming in from the garage, this is where we drop off things. So this is mainly that I just have to organize. It's not so much of a cleaning, but more like organizing. And I'm folding away my bags, and you can find this in the Amazon store. I've been using this for 14 years and I just love them. I find this amazing healthy chocolate at Costco, so I had to try it right away. After the chocolate was melted, I just applied on the bananas. Thank you for being here and watching until the end. See you soon. Bye!